Hello, have you ever visited the Budget Park? Have you ever played at the drum? Have you ever played at with marbles with your friend? Have you ever cooked on a wildfire? Have you ever fought with barreled a cat? Have you ever traveled in a canyon? Have you ever borrowed a word art? Have you ever run a costañita? Have you ever jumping bungee jumping? Have you ever read Gabriel Garcia Marquez book? Have you ever found the water? Have you ever swum at Pozas de Coloso Sucre? Have you ever trained in the park? Have you ever eaten mote de queso? Have you ever worked over 5 hours in your computer? Have you ever had the sambar party? Have you ever seen a horse? Have you ever been to the sea with your family? Have you ever sent flowers to your mommy? Have you ever slept on a bus? Thank you.